So you've been involved in an accident and all your medical bills have been paid thus far. And then out of nowhere, you're told that none of your medical bills are gonna be paid going forward. What do you do next? Listen to this video and I'll give you some clues and tips on how to handle that. I'm Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in New York. And on this video, I'm gonna give you some suggestions on what to do if you've been involved in an accident and you need your medical bills paid for going forward. Now, it's important to know that the entity that's responsible for paying for your medical bills depends a lot on the type of accident that you were involved in and when and where that accident took place. So if you were involved in a car accident in the state of New York and you were not working at the time, then your medical benefits are going to be paid through what's called no-fault insurance. So many people think that if they're involved in an accident, they would go through their health insurance to get their medical bills paid. But if you're involved in a car accident, the medical bills would actually be paid through no-fault insurance, and that would be the no-fault insurance of the vehicle that you were either a driver or a passenger in. If you were a pedestrian, you would make your no-fault claim through the no-fault benefits of the vehicle that struck you. So for someone who's been injured in an on-the-job accident, they would file a claim through their workers' comp insurance of their employer. That would be regardless if it's a trip and fall, slip and fall, construction accident, or a car accident. And this type of claim would be filed with workers' comp within 30 days, although it's preferable to serve it as soon as possible. It's also important to remember, if you are an injured city worker for the New York City Department of Sanitation, the fire department, police department, or a DOE teacher, you would file a claim for line of duty injury benefits. This is similar to workers' compensation, but a little bit different. Now again, these line of duty injury benefits are related only to a small class of employees. And again, those are city workers who fall into those departments that I just mentioned. And then finally, if you were injured in an accident and it wasn't a car accident, it wasn't an on-the-job accident, but you have health insurance, you would make a claim to get your medical bills paid by your own health insurance provider. Now, in order to get your medical bills paid, it's important to file for the right type of coverage so that you can make sure the right person is paying for your medical bills. So for instance, if you were injured on the job, you want to file for a workers' comp claim and not a claim through your health insurance benefits. And if you're an injured sanitation, cop, fire, or teacher, you want to file for Lodi benefits, not no-fault benefits. Those are just some examples and reasons why it's very important to speak with a professional attorney who focuses on these particular types of fields. Now, at some point during your claim, those insurance companies are going to try and stop paying for your medical benefits. And that occurs across the board, whether it's no fault, workers' comp, line of duty injury, or even through your health insurance. And at that point in time, many people are not sure what to do. And that's where we come in. Now, when insurance refuses to pay for your future medical benefits, the best course of action may vary depending on the type of insurance that's involved. The right answer for no fault may be different than the right answer for workers' comp, line of duty injury, or your own personal health insurance. And it's very important that you speak with an attorney who's well-versed in each of these areas so that he or she can give you the best piece of advice on what to do going forward to make sure that your medical bills can get paid. And that's where we come in. My name is Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in New York. We handle car accidents. We handle cases where people have been injured on the job. We handle line of duty injury cases. We also handle cases where people have to use their own private health insurance to treat. And therefore, our office knows each of these type of claims and the best way to handle them. If you have any questions, call us for a free consultation at 212-441-4352. If you like the information that we provided in this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can get more information on future videos going forward.